Okay, so to do the cowl part, this is just to help those who might need a little extra assistance. The instruction says to attach the yarn at the base of the seam. So this is my seam. That's the inside. So I've got the loop on the hook already, and this is one row, this is one row here. So, and the base of the seam is in the middle. So since there is no designated spot, you just need to get it in and slip stitch or attach it however you care to. And then you can chain one and do a half double crochet, or what I like to do, remove that chain one, I like to do my alternative chainless double crochet, or sorry, it's supposed to be a half double crochet. And of course I can't get in. Since this is not a stitch, you have to find the right spot, and I like to make sure I have 2 loops on the hook. You just go in, you chain one, or you make a single crochet, and there will be 2 loops showing. You go on into the left loop, pull up a loop, and complete your single crochet. Now sometimes, for the most part, I use this as a double crochet, because sometimes doing the 3 is just too tall for what I'm looking for, and I also use it as a half double crochet as well. So this is one, and then the next one would go right here. So right here. And again, make sure you have 2 loops. Oops, it's a half double chain. Okay, not chain, yarn over, and create your next half double crochet. Now for the next one, I like to go, so this is the row of half double crochets. I like to go here at the top, again, yarn over, create the half double crochet, and for the next one I go right into the, what I call the meat of that previous half double crochet at the end. So again, try to get 2 loops. It's not always possible, but try to get 2 loops and create that. So for the next one here, what I would do is yarn over and go in here, and I always try to put my hook in where I can at least get 2 strands. So there are 2 strands here. That creates less of a gap. If you only had one, it would stretch it out a lot more. And then for the next one, it goes here, and again, 2, even 3 loops on there, as long as you get more than just 1 loop on the hook. And then you just keep going. The next one will be here, and the next one will be right here. So 1 in here, and then 1 in here. I will meet you at the end. Okay, so I'm getting to the end. I have 1 more row of half double crochets to go through, and then I have the beginning row of single crochet, of the foundation single crochet. So for the last row of half double crochet, again, I put the 2 in, and then at the end, since this was a single crochet row, I find a good spot to put 1 half double crochet in. Again, try, it's not the end of the world if you don't, but try to have 2 loops. So there's 1 at the end. Then you chain 3. That's going to create a little gap in the front of the hood. So this is the front of the hood. This is going to create a little bridge so that it's not like really tight at your neck. It's just creating a little bridge. If you want it a little looser, definitely add more chains here, you know, to make it wider, and it will be wider around your neck as well. Okay, so you chain 3, then you continue. You're now on the other side. You find a good spot and put 1 half double crochet, and then you continue. So your next row is right here, and you need to put 2. So I'm going to put 1 here in the meat part and 1 here in that very distinct hole here. 1 here, 1 here. Okay, and then the next row, I'm going to put 1 right here, and then 1 in this section here again. Try to get 2 loops. Not the end of the world if it doesn't, if you can't find it. So you'll carry on all the way until you get back. You'll put 2 in this one, and then you will join. And then after that, well, I should say, if you choose to join, you'll join, and you can turn and half double crochet in the back, loop around, join, turn, and do it again. I like to avoid a seam at all costs, so I am going to do continuous rounds. So when I get here, I will just keep going, and you'll just follow the pattern as stated. So hopefully that helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.